Today, my name is Mark Gabriel B. Cuenta, and I'm going to present the assignment 1. Moving on to the first problem. Determine the dynamic range in decibels for the following linear sign magnitude of the PCM code. First one, letter A, 6 bits is equal to 5 bits, excluding what do you call that again? Excluding the sign. So DR in decibels is equal to 20 log Vmax over Vmin, wherein Vmax is equal to 2 raised to 5, again 45 bits, minus 1 is equal to 31. DR is equal to 31 over 1 is equal to again 31. DR in decibel is equal to 20 log 31. So the answer is 29.8272 rounded off to the fourth decimal places. Letter B, 7 bits is equal to 6 bits, again excluding the sign. With the same formula, so Vmax is equal to 2 raised to 6 minus 1 is equal to 63. DR is equal to 63 over 1 equals to 63. DR in decibels is equal to 20 log 63. Again, with the answer of 35.9868 decibels rounded up for the fourth decimal places. Lastly, from the problem 1, the letter C, 8 bits is equal to 7 bits excluding the sign. Again, same formula. 2 raised to 7 minus 1 is equal to 127. And 127 over 1 is equal to 127. So DR in decibels of the 8 bits is equal to 20 log 127 with the answer of 42.0761 decibels. Again, rounded off for the fourth decimal places. Moving on. Problem 2. The problem 2 determine the minimum number of bits and decoding efficiency required for the following dynamic ranges. For 20 decibels, DR is equals to 10. 20 decibels is equals to 20 log DR. Then 10 is equals to 2 raised to n minus 1. N is equals to log of DR plus 1 over log 2. Substitute with the given values in the equation. Log 10 plus 1 over log 2 is equals to 3.46 rounded up for the second decimal places. So then again, 3.46 plus 1 is equals to 4.46 min or equals to 5 acts. So percentage of C is equals to 4.46 over 5 times 100 with a given value of 89.2%. Next, for 40 decibels, the DR is 100, then again, same formula, but different values. So 40 decibels is equal to 20 log DR, then 100 is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. So same formula for n. So substitute log 100 plus 1 over log 2. We again get the 6.66 rounded up for the second decimal places. 6.66 plus 1 is equal to 7.66 min and 8 ac. Percentage of CE is equal to 7.66 over 8 times 100. So CE, percentage of CE is equals to 95.75%. Lastly, 60 decibels with a DR of 1000. 60 decibels equals 20 log DR. 1000 is equals to 2 raised to n minus 1. With the same formula for n, so log 1000 plus 1 over log 2 is equals to 9.97. 9.97 plus 1 is equals to 10.97 min and 11 ac. Percentage of CE is equals to 10.97 over 11 times 100. Percentage of CE is equals to 99.73%. Then, Moving on to the problem 3. Problem 3, for a resolution of 0.04 volts, determine the voltage and the voltage range for the following 6-bit sign magnitude PCM codes. First one, for the letter A, is 010101, which is equivalent to negative 21 with a Vres of constant of 40 millivolts or 0.04 volts. So, negative 21 times 40 millivolts is equals to negative 84 millivolts. So, the voltage range is negative 0.84 minus 0.02. Again, we got the 0.02 from the Vres over 2, which again, this Vres is equals to 0.04 over 2, which is equals to 0.02. So it is equals then now to negative 0.86. Again, negative 0.84 plus 0.02 is equals to negative 0.82. Again, we got the voltage ranges of negative 0.86 volts to negative 0.82 volts. Next is letter B, 110101 is equal to 21. So 21 times 40 millivolts is equals to 84 millivolts. So 84 millivolts or 0.84 minus 0.02 is equals to 0.82. Then 0.84 plus 0.02 is equals to 0.86 with the voltage range of 0.82 volts to 0.86 volts. Next, letter C, 110011, which is equivalent to 19. 19 times 0.04 volts is equals to 0.76 volts. So 0.76 volts minus 0.02 minus are equal to 0.74. So 0.76 plus 0.02 is equals to 0.78. Again, with the voltage range of 0.74 volts to 0.78 volts. Last one is 011111, which is equivalent to 31. 31 times 0.04 volts is equals to 1.24 volts. Volts yan. So again, typo again. So wait, let me double check. 31 times 0.04. So yan, tama. Ay, kita ba? Di siya kita. So, 1.24 volts dapat siya. So again, uh, wrong wrong unit used. So moving on, V range is equals to 1.24 minus 0.02 is equals to 1.22, and 1.24 plus 0.02 is equals to 1.26. With the voltage range of 1.22 volts to 1.26 volts. Moving on to the problem 4. Oops. Yan. The PCM system has the following parameters: a maximum analog input frequency of 4 kHz, a maximum decoded voltage at the receiver of positive negative 3.55 volts, and a minimum dynamic range of 56 decibels. Determine the following. First one is the minimum sampling rate. Fs is greater than or equal to 2 times Fm. So substitute the Fm, which is the 4 kHz. So 2 times 4 is equals to 8 kHz with the minimum sampling rate. Next is the minimum number of bits used in the PCM code. So dr of decibels is approximately equal to 6.02 times n, wherein the dr in decibels is equals to 56 decibels, again given with the minimum dynamic range of 56. So n is equals to 56 over 6.02 with the value of 9.3. So the n min is equals to 9.3, which is equivalent to 10 bits. Next is the resolution. So the Vmax is positive 3.55 volts, and the Vmin is negative 3.55 volts. Then the total volts in peak to peak is 3.55 minus negative 3.55, which is equal to 7.1 volts, n is equals to 10 bits, and number of quantization levels is equals to 2 raised to n, wherein n is equals to 10. So which is the 2 raised to 10 is equals to 1024. So the resolution is equals to Vmax minus Vmin over 2 raised to n. So we got that value earlier. Directly substitute. So resolution is equals 7.1 over 1024. With the answer is 6.93 millivolts. The last problem is the quantization error. QE-RMS is equals to the uh, resolution over square root of 12. So resolution again for the previous problem, letter C, is 6.93 millivolts over square root of 12. So you will get the RMS value or RMS error of 2 millivolts. Or for if we need the peak error, so the formula is resolution over 2. So 6.93 millivolts over 2 is equals to 3.47 millivolts. So the peak error is the 3.47 millivolts and the RMS error is 2 millivolts. So that is all for the assignment 1. Thank you for listening.